Today I'm going to show you how to use the Miele coffee maker located both in the kitchen and master bedroom. To get started, gently grab the bottom right of the front of the appliance and pull open. First, remove the water container located in the bottom right of the machine. Taking it over to the sink, remove the top and empty any water left in the tank. Next, we will fill with water up to the line marked on the side of the water tank. Once full with cold water, we will replace the tank by sliding it back into its spot. Next, select whether you would like to use ground coffee or whole bean. The machine will automatically grind the whole bean coffee. Please do not adjust the built-in grinder. Once you've added your whole bean or ground coffee, close the door and start brewing. Today we will be drinking our coffee black. However, if you wanted to add milk, simply grab the flask from the cabinet and add in your preference of milk. Once you've filled the flask, simply slide the flask into the groove on the left side of the machine. Make sure it is facing the correct direction and clicks all the way in. On the main menu, select which coffee you would like via the touch screen. Today we are using whole beans and the machine automatically grinds, as you can see on the screen here. Lastly, grab a cup and enjoy.